Okay, cool. Cambridge English vocabulary and use. Pre-intermediate and intermediate level. Vocabulary and use. Contents, introduction, Learning vocab, keyword vocab and notebook, English language words, and 100 C thanks, introduction. Okay, for intro Introduction to the student. This work will help you learn more than 2,000 words. Okay, 2,000 words and phrases, and you can use it without a teacher. 100 units in the work. You can store them in any or on any learning area, but the first 4 units have information about the vocab, that will help you with your learning. The first 4 units for information about it. Here's what the pages look like. The left-hand page presents the new vocab. Left-hand page, okay, we are using the PDF file, so we don't have any left hand and right hand. So, but let's read. Left-hand page present the new vocab. New vocabulary is for pictures and diagrams show the meaning of some words. These are the sentences to help you to understand new words. Okay. Right-hand page practice the new vocab. And there's a space for you to write your answers. There's an example to each exercise to help you. Over to you is a chance for you to use the new words to write about yourself, your life, and your country. Okay. After you do the exercises, you can check your answers in the answer key at the back of the book. You will also find the possible answers for most of the over to use exercises. The index at the back of the book has all the new words and phrases from the units with a 40 minutes transcription to help you with pronunciation. If you have the edition with the ebook, you can listen to the pronunciation of all the new vocab, and there are more practice exercises as well. See page 262 for more information about ebook. It's a good idea to have a dictionary when you use the book. Sometimes you may want a bilingual dictionary so you can find a translation. Sometimes the book asks you to use an English dictionary for an exercise. You also need a notebook while your story. Okay, you also need a notebook. Okay, the story units 1 to 4 in this book will give you ideas and information to help you to use your notebook and becomes a better learner. Okay, how do you enjoy using this book? Okay, to the teacher. So we are not the teacher, so we will skip this part. Okay, study unit 1, learning vocabulary. Okay, let's get started. Using this book, it's a good idea to have a routine when you use this book. Sometimes you do often and usually the same way. For example, a weekly routine schedule, timetable. A weekly routine when you study a new unit for at least not less than 30 to 45 minutes. New unit go 30 to 45 minutes. Daily routine, weekly routine 45 minutes. Daily routine when you revise that unit. Study it again, you may only need to revise for 5 or 10 minutes each time. Over to you. Write your answers. How often can you spend at least half an hour or 45 minutes on a unit? How often can you spend at least half an hour or 45 minutes on a unit? Please about 9 words of whole is a minute and days of a lot of how often can you revise? How much time can you spend when you revise? When you revise revision well will you do it? Story and new unit. When you are studying a unit for the first time, you need to be active when you are learning. Yes, I'm already active. What the new word or phrase, say it aloud, speak it so you can hear it, and repeat it to yourself silently in your head, not speaking. If you have the ebook that goes with the book, use it to check the pronunciation. Use a highlighter pen to mark words you think are important or difficult. Yes. Write down new words and phrases in your notebook. See Unit 2 for more information. Always try to write an example sentence for new words. You can choose an example from this book or dictionary, but an example from your own life will often help you to remember a word. ပြောချင်တာကဒီစာအုပ်ရ example ဖြစ်ဖြစ် dictionary ဖြစ်ဖြစ်သုံးပြီးတော့ example sentence ကိုရေးလို့ရတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့လည်းမင်းရဲ့ own life ကကိုယ့်ရဲ့ကိုယ်ပိုင်ဘဝက example ကဒီစကားလုံးကိုမှတ်မိဖို့အတွက်ထောက်ကူပြုပါလိမ့်မယ် I shared a flat with an Australian when I was in London last year London မှာနေခဲ့တော့ Australian came and shared a flat look at it do exercises with pencil and then you can rub them out using a rubber or do them a blender this is a good way to revise the vocab okay Which of these things do you now? Which of these things do you do now when you are learning vocabulary? What will you do in the future? Okay, I will skip it. Revise your unit. When you revise your unit 1 or 2 days later, it's also important to be as assertive as possible. Test yourself. Isabel, look at the word, cover the meaning. Can you remember what the meaning is? If you can't, check the meaning. Then come back to the word in 5 minutes and 5 minutes time and text yourself again. Okay. Look at what you wrote in your notebook when you first started the unit. Is there any new information you want to add? Is there something about the pronunciation or the common word partner? Diagrams will help you to organize some of the vocabulary differently and help you. Okay. So here are some different examples of take. Who took my pen? I took notes during the lecture. Let's take a break now. What size shoes do you take? What size shoes do you take? Okay. Expanding your vocab. When you learn a word, study, think of synonyms, words with a similar meaning or opposites in your language. Look them up in bilingual dictionary to find the English words. Then look up the English words in an English dictionary to check the meaning. From this, you will find that the opposite of dirty is clean. You may also find filthy, a qualification of filthy, very dirty. I haven't known it before, so I will highlight it. Filthy means very dirty. Okay, new word for today. Filthy, F-I-L-T-H-Y. Filthy means very dirty, filthy. My room is very clean. Using this method, find opposites to words in bold. Okay. My room is very clean. Opposite is dirty. So it's a permanent job. Opposite is temporary. Sorry. T-E-M-P-O. Temporary. T-M-P-O. Temporary. Yeah. He was kind to all of his animals. Kind. I think kind. Opposite of kind is maybe cruel. C-I-U. Cruel. And babies have very soft, smooth or rough maybe. What's the entrance? Entrance opposite is I think exit, E-X-I-T. Okay, what's the bad that lie? Did they accept the invitation? No, they refuse. Or I think they refuse. Means so like that. Okay, like that. Advice, imagine, argument, revise, revision, choice, expansion, difference, communication. Let's continue. Okay, let's highlight and underline. Trusting you what highlight words if they are familiar, but you can remember the meaning. There's a lot of spoken English on the internet, which you can play again and again. Try to make a note list. Trusty words. Look up the meaning. How many answers did you get right the first time? How many answers did you get the second time? Okay. For this question, I think we know which is right or wrong after we see the answer sheet. But no, keeping a vocab in notebook. I think I want to skip these 1, 2, 3, 4. Although the book recommend me not to skip.